Peak Design 7 litre outdoor sling, ripstop fabric. We have weather sealed zips here, front zip here. We have a little drop pocket here, so quick grab phone pocket. Obviously you can tuck it in, so it's got a little magnet on there, so keeps it reasonably safe. It's against your body anyway. Got a little grab handle on the top, so you can carry it around like that. What else on the outside? We have these little, they call them cinch straps. So you can do these up nice and tight. And obviously you can put a tripod or a jacket or something underneath there. And these are really well configured. You can unclip them off there. Little pull tags, little loops. And then, because I have some gear in here, which I'll show you in a second. So I actually have my drone kit in here and a few other things. Because I was planning on doing some drone shots on the beach, but it was too windy, so I abandoned that. Right, yes, so I've shown you the phone in the back pocket there. The straps here actually unclip on the corners. So you can unclip those. The excess strap goes inside the corner here. So that's really handy, that can be hidden away. And then the same on this side, you can unclip the strap there. Nice thick shoulder strap. Plastic detail here, so that will uncouple. Now, you can configure it as a waist belt. I don't know why you would want to wear it as a waist bag, but some people say that they want to wear it. I'm sure there's other videos that will show you and demonstrate how that works. Now, I don't have it actually with me, but this little loop here is for a cross, I can't remember what they call it now, but it's an additional strap that stops the bag from slipping around your body. I don't use it because you have to keep unclipping it if you want to move the bag around the front. So that's that. These are plastic details, these clips here and here. Slightly breathable fabric on the back there, but it's not stiff, so that's going to shape to your body when you're wearing it. So yeah, again, I like these bags because there's nothing rigid apart from the gear you've got in there. And yeah, that's just going to sort of mold to the shape of your body. All right, I know you want to get inside and have a look. Let's go in the front pocket first. So front pocket, oh, there's that strap, handy. So yeah, that would go across and that would secure your bag if you didn't want it to slip around if you're riding a bike or you're hiking or something. Inside the front here, there's no drop pockets as such, but you do have a key lanyard. Use that quite a lot. Good size pocket. I like these zips actually. Peak Design branded zips. Nice little pull tags. Quite like that detail. Oh, the branding's quite nice. Quite like that. What do you say? It's probably the coyote colour, I guess. Same as this. But yeah, I like that with the black. That looks really premium. Right, going in the bag, and I'll show you what I took to the beach today and didn't use. So let's get this out. So it's my RC2 controller. Peak Design leash on there. Got a couple of anchors, so that's quite handy to have that. So I'll get rid of that. And then we have, in this little pouch, is my Mavic 4 Mini Pro, which I didn't use today. So I've had that just in a loose pouch. And then, so you can see it's quite a big cavernous space. And then in the back here, I've got the batteries for the drone. 1, 2, and you've got 3 pockets in total. Then so you've got 3 pockets in the front of this zip pocket here, inside, so you can see that. Open up that zipper, and then you do have mesh pocket, mesh pocket, mesh pocket, another mesh pocket there. I have a Action 4 in there. What else do I have? My NDs for the drone. I have a remote for the Action 4, very handy. Galaxy Buds Pro. So I was planning on doing some 3D sound recording with these, with the S24 Ultra, but it's too windy. What else? Anything else? DJI Mic Mini. Great little mic. And yeah, if you want to record in stereo with wind muffs on your Pocket 3, then this is a good additional mic. Now, what else can we fit in here? I have my Sony A7 IV. Now, this is fully vlog rigged. Mini mic on the top there. I have an Arc Swiss plate on the bottom. 10 to 20mm G lens with a CPL ND and glow magnetic mist filter on the front there. With my favourite strap, the Artisan and Artist fabric strap. Now, the beauty about this bag is because there's no internal dividers, you can have a fully rigged vlog camera sat in the bottom there, mic'd up. You don't have to keep taking that mic off. And that is pretty much good to go like that. And obviously you can fit extras and things in around that. But I thought I'd show you that because you don't often get sling bags where you can actually fit a mic'd up camera inside. I have a Peak Design extra small camera cube, and these fit perfectly inside here. So if you want a little bit of organisation and padding, then this will go inside and you can zip that up. And again, that gives it a little bit more padding and security, because on the bottom of the actual bag itself, let's take that out a second and take my phone out. On the bottom of the actual bag here, there's no padding. So if you have a camera or anything in here and you drop that down as a hard surface, it's going to bang and possibly damage. So that's why with the extra small camera cube, it will prevent that from happening. Just show you that branding inside. And whilst I've got the bag empty, I just want to show you how small this packs down. So you can roll this up, super small, and that will go in your luggage. So there's not many sling bags that you can roll up that small if space is of a premium. So going back to the extra small camera cube inside, let's open that up. And you can then tuck that down sort of underneath like so. And inside here at the moment, I have my Fujifilm X100VI. That fits in there, and you can fit other gear in this side. I don't have any dividers in there as such, but yeah, just to show you the space. And then with that mini camera cube in here, I have my iPad mini, and that will fit neatly down the back. You can zip all that up, and that is pretty much it. So I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions about this camera sling, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them where possible. I highly recommend it. I've used it pretty much every single day I've been away on this trip. And yeah, I'll put links in the description to where you can buy it. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of more gear reviews coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye for now.